be opening this Cars Disney Pixar transforming Mack. Are you excited?
Yes.
Okay, so do you want to unbox it now? Right now? Okay. Okay guys, so let's go here. You have to open this up. Anayah, did you watch the movie?
Yes.
Was it good?
Yes.
Okay guys, so right now we have to open it here. If you haven't watched the movie Cars, the third movie has been released. It's a really good movie, so you should watch it. So we'll meet you back when you've opened it. Okay, Anayah?
Okay.
Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
A few moments later.
Welcome back.
So yeah, welcome back, as she said. So we opened it. Ooh, this one. Oops. Okay, so let's see what this is. Is this supposed to be a target? It looks like it. Is this a button? No, it doesn't look like a button. So we're gonna put this here. And let's open the other thing. Now, are you excited?
Yes.
Oh, so it comes with some stickers too. So these are the stickers. And this is the back of the truck. I forgot what it's called. I think you can put, let's see. It looks like you can put 4 cars in here, judging by the size. Here are the stickers, and it looks like it's supposed to be something, yeah, like here, where he breaks through it. Okay, see, what's next? Oh, it's here. It's the front of the Mack. So let's open it up and see what we get. So guys, we opened it up, so this is what it looks like. So I don't think there are any instructions inside saying what we have to do. So I think we have to do this ourselves. So let's see what we get. Let's close this one. Oh, you're very excited? Okay, so we've pulled the hatch. Now, let's see. There's a round. I think we put it like put it like this. No, I can't. So we put it like. I can't seem to fit it in. Okay, so here's how you fit it. Here's how it looks. Where do you think this goes? Let's check this side. No. How about the front? Okay. How about here? No, it doesn't look like it's there either. Is it at the bottom? No, it isn't at the bottom. Okay, so first guys, let's start attaching the stickers. Before we attach the stickers, I think we have to open this up, right?
Yes.
Okay, so let's see how we open this up. Do we open it up? Let's see. Let's see how the box opens up. It opens up from the sides. So let's see. Here it is. So it looks like this, and there's some tracks inside. Let's open this side too. And then look, does it look cool?
Yeah.
Okay, so now let's open this. Oh no, wait, can we open the top too? No, I don't think we also open the top. Okay, so let's do this. I think we have to unattach this. So let's try to take this off. Take this off. So let's just keep. Okay. I think it's supposed to go like this. Oh yeah, see, look. It has the same thing. So let's try to attach this. I think it goes like this. So this is how it looks. Okay, you could press this button. I don't know what this does. Okay, there's this here. I don't know what you do. Ooh, does it open this? Yeah, it takes it out. So let's check it out. And so you can pull it out. like this. So this is the full set. This is how it looks like, and it looks just like the box. Can't you see? It looks just like the box. So first, I think we have to start attaching the stickers. We'll be back after we attach the stickers. As we just started, we finished putting the stickers. We put a rusty sticker here and a rusty sticker here. Okay, actually this accidentally got ripped by me. We also had to put this, so I think it opens up when a car launches from there. So Anayah, do you want to get a car?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
6 hours later.
So this is the truck. We just finished putting the cars here. So I think you have to put it here. So you have to pull this back, and then here's the car that we'll be putting here. So I think you put it like this, and then when you push it, it'll fly all the way here. Are you ready to see it?
Yeah.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, that was a complete failure. I think we missed it. Okay, could you give it back?
Yeah.
Okay, so yes, I'll try it again. So let's put it back. And then, why don't you compress it? Oh, we missed it again. Nah, give it. I don't know what happens. Let's see where it goes wrong. So first, let's put the car here. Let's put it here. Let's see where it goes wrong. Ah, here. So that's where it goes wrong. And then look, we got it stuck here. Okay, so I think that's good. Now let's try it up here. Do you want to try it?
Yes.
Okay. So we'll be giving this car a try. Do you want to see this car?
Yes.
Okay, so we'll do it in slow-mo. And go. All of these cars are really heavy. This one is actually a really heavy car, and this one is way lighter. So I think it was because this one's heavy, that's why it couldn't get past. So I think this one will work. So let's try. Anayah, you want to try?
Yes.
Okay. So let's put the car here. Now move. Okay. So are you ready?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
100%?
Yes.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Will this work?
Yes.
Oh, this one doesn't work too. And do you want to give it a try again?
Yes.
Let's give it a second try. Are you ready?
Yes.
Wait, let's see something else. This one's light. No. I think this one's the lightest. So let's try. Are you ready?
Yes.
Again?
Yes.
And that one works. Right. I think you could put this higher. No, I don't think then that would just fall. Yeah, we could put something under this and then it would go higher. But I don't think we should try that right now. Now let's try this, target practice. I accidentally just realized something. It's supposed to be this car flies into here. We made it fly into the sofa. But we should have made it fly into here. So, let's try that. We just got the setup. We're going to use this car again because this is the lightest car. And we're going to see if it could fit in here. Anayah, do you think it's going to fit in there?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, let's see if it fits. 3, 2, 1, slow-mo.